Hello everyone, welcome to the Math channel Math Bridges. Today our topic is comparing numbers. Today there is a special guest for you all to make it very easy how to compare the numbers. Let's see who is that guest. Yes, it is Ali the alligator. It's saying hello to every one of you. So it is going to teach you and make your work very easy how to compare the given numbers. You know, alligator always maintains a secret. So it is saying a secret to you all also. So you all should remember this secret. What is the secret? The alligator always wants to eat the bigger numbers. You all can say it once. The alligator always wants to eat the bigger numbers. So you should remember this secret, all of you. It is a secret mantra which will help you to compare the numbers very easily. Let us see how it's going to help us. Here you can see there are 5 apples and 3 apples. The alligator is very hungry, sharing the secret with you all. So it wants to eat the apples. So recall what is the secret? Alligator always wants to eat the bigger number. So which one is the bigger number now? Is it 5 or 3? Yes, it is 5. So the alligator mouth, you can see it's going and grabbing the number 5 apples. It's eating. You can observe near the alligator mouth the sign, how the mouth symbol, the same sign will be representing over here in between the numbers. And it is read as 5 is greater than 3. Now, there are some melons over here, watermelons. There are 2 melons and 5 melons. Again, the alligator is feeling hungry. And what is the secret again? The alligator wants to eat the bigger numbers. So, which one is the bigger number now? Yes, it is 5. So, the alligator will eat all the 5 watermelons. See near the mouth, the symbol. The mouth symbol itself will be writing here in between 2 and 5. And it is read as 2 is less than 5. Now, you can see here, slowly after eating the watermelons, it went into a pond. So there, it found 6 fish and other side 4 fish. So which one it will be eating now? Yes, obviously, alligator wants to eat the bigger number. So it will be eating 6 fish. The bigger one, see near the mouth, the symbol, and we'll be reading it as 6 is greater than 4. Isn't it? Now, you can see here again little it's swimming in the pond. Again it found 8 fish and 32 fish. So which one it will be eating? The alligator now? Yes, alligator wants to eat the bigger number. So it will be eating all the 32 fish. See near the mouth the symbol. So we'll be writing it as less than symbol. Same near the mouth the symbol what we have written. It will be used in between the numbers. So it will be read as 8 is less than 32. And the next one, slowly the alligator is going. And now it found 2 more fish with the number 5 and number 7. So what fish will be eaten by the alligator? Yes, alligator wants to eat the bigger number. Which is the bigger number now? Yes, 7. It went and it trapped the number 7. You can see the arrow marks here. The alligator is trapping the number 7. The alligator wants to eat the bigger number. So, it will be eating. See the mouth of the alligator here? It opened its mouth so wide and it is going to grab and eat the number 7. And symbolically we'll be writing it as 5 is less than 7. You can observe here L less than L, capital L. Near the mouth also capital L only a little bent. I have bent the letter L little bit and have written the same symbol we can write. So what is the symbol for less than? Less than symbol is L only, capital L, a little bent. You can remember like that. It becomes very easy. See how the alligator is helping you to learn the numbers and to compare the numbers, isn't it? And it is read as 5 is less than 7. Now see here, Now, there are two alligators now. What fish would be eaten by the alligator now? 18 or 14? Which one it will eat? Alligator wants to eat only the bigger number. So which one is the bigger number now? It is 14 or 18. It is 18. So the alligator will be eating the bigger number 18. It's going to grab the number 18 again. You can see here the mouth, near the mouth, the shape you can see. So we'll be representing symbolically also in the same manner. 18 is greater than 14. Now, there are two fish, 9 and 9. Slowly they are swimming and going. So the alligator came there. But what happened? Hey, both of them look the same. Are they twins? Yes. So the alligator is thinking, which one I have to eat? Which fish I have to eat now? But the secret for the alligator is, alligator always wants to eat the bigger number. So there is no bigger number. Both are equal. See the equal to sign it is equal. So the alligator will not be eating any number. These fish are equal to each other. So the alligator slowly moves on. Now you can see here there are 4 mangoes and 4 mangoes. So again both the mangoes are equal here. 4 is equal to 4. So the alligator will not eat any mangoes. It will eat only the bigger number. If there are no bigger number, we will be using the sign is equal to. Now you can see again here 7 fish and 7 fish. One more. So what fish would be eaten by the alligator? As both the numbers are same, the alligator will not eat any fish. No alligator will eat this because they are equal to each other. 7 is equal to 7. Now, what are the rules for this equal to? When the numbers are the same, we'll say they are equal to each other. So the alligator will not be eating any number at that time. It closes its mouth and becomes equal to. You can see here less than greater than the mouth of the alligator. As we discussed previously, L, the shape of L, you can see a little bent here. So that is L, and the opposite of that one is the greater than symbol. Now, among these numbers 25 and 33, can you guess which number will be eaten by the alligator? Yes, the bigger number. Alligator wants to eat the bigger number. So which one is the bigger number? 33. That's why the alligator mouth is open towards 33, and the same mouth we are writing it as a symbol. And it is read as 25 is less than 33. Now, you can see 79 and 20. Among these numbers, which one the alligator will eat now? Alligator wants to eat the bigger number. So which one is the bigger number? 7 tens or 2 tens? It is 7 tens. So 79 is the bigger number. You can see the mouth of the alligator is open wide towards 79. And the same mouth symbol, we were writing it as greater than symbol. And it is read as 79 is greater than 20. Very good. Super. Now, 65 and 65. Here you can observe, isn't it? Both the numbers are equal to each other. So, the alligator will not be eating any number. Yes, you are correct. We will be reading it as 65 is equal to 65. Now, 48 and 59. Which number the alligator will be eating? Yes, correct. You are correct. It will be eating the number 59. As 59 is the bigger number, the alligator wants to eat the bigger number 59. You can see the mouth of the alligator and the same symbol we have written here. And it is read as 48 is less than 59. Now 73 and 100. 73 is a 2-digit number and 100 is a 3-digit number. So which one is the bigger number here? Yes, it is 100. So 73 is less than 100 means the alligator is going to eat the number 100. That's why the mouth is open towards 100. The same mouth symbol will be writing here in the red color. It's been written. You can observe. Now, very good.